Good afternoon everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So today's segment is a very special, okay? So we are going to unbox the Tier 4 Wave 4 SE version. So now we are chasing for the SE card. Not only the BP, but it's the most chasing cards in here in this series is the SE. Alright, so that's why I call it is a very special segment, because it's not only one but 3 box in a row. Alright, so it's a 3 box. Alright, so without further ado, this is another day, another unboxing, guys. So we will open now. Without further ado, we'll start. All the boxes first, okay, and then we'll just oops, sorry, I hit the camera. sorry for that. Too excited, guys. I am too excited, that's why. A little bit more, okay. Alright, first box. Let's open 5, 8, 12. Okay, we put 6 by 6. 6 by 6. So this is what you call a special segment, right? Alright, put it here first. What if I crush it and then it's okay, Hidan HR, Gamakichi SSR Ino, and SSR Kakashi. Are we able to pull the SE in here? Okay, our first SLR positive. Okay, HR Naruto, Suigetsu Moigi. Alright, SSR Hashirama. Naruto, Sakura, and SSR Core 9, Killer B, Gamabunda, Sasuke, and AR Obito. Alright, Kabuto, Hanabi, Naruto, UR, Naruto, okay, Temari, 2, 4, 6, alright. If I accidentally cut the card, congratulations, guys. Congrats to me also. Okay. Let's see if there is any hits. You are okay. No big hits. Okay, SSR Boruto, Naruto, Iruka Sensei, and SSR Sai. Shina, Naruto, Kiba, URs, Mitsuki, okay, Sakura, Naruto, SLR, positive, Hanabi, no, it's not Hanabi, it's the daughter of Naruto, sorry, Tenten, and SSR, Boruto, it's Sarada, Sai, Sarada, and AR, Minato, and with Itachi. So far we haven't get the big hits, only SLR, our big hits in here. It's a SLR, my goodness. Why so hard to get the SE? Well, actually that's why the SE is a little bit expensive, because it's chance per case. It's not a guarantee one, right? So I think there is a high chance for you for the guarantee, because if you buy the one case or a master case in a sense, but it's still a guarantee. Okay, it's OR Killer B. The OR Killer B is very nice, as you can see. OR Killer B. Sasuke SR. UR. Okay, we put the UR in here. Okay. Alright, SSR Naruto. Tsunade. Okay, SSR done. Gaara. Naruto, Gamabunda, Choji, and SSR. Oh no, UR. UR Gaara. I think this one is a toe box. A lot of URs. Rarity. And of course, the OR. Gurren. SR Gurren. Alright, so we do the a fast recap of this what we pull. Okay, so from mid to high, the OR Fu, OR Killer B, AR Minato, AR Obito, SLR positive Jiraiya, young Jiraiya, and the daughter of Naruto SLR positive. Okay, we put in here. This is our first hit from the first box. Okay, we proceed on the second box. Alright. My space is very little. Hopefully this one is a big hit. So try to judge, try to judge which one is the best box. Box 1, box 2, or box 3. Let us see. Okay, I take out the first. It's quite hard because it's no space. My table is not a big space, guys. So hopefully you can understand that. I am a not big shot streamers. Okay, so take note of that. 46. All right, first 6 in the second box, booster box. All right, let's begin. Okay. Clear. Okay, you put in one side first. Okay, put here. At least I got the space for another part. Let's see. Oh, SLR. And alright. So SLR positive. Okay, Naruto. We do the fast pace. Ooh, MR. Okay, our first hit in this second booster box. So definitely we know the second box is good. We have the MR. Okay, Naruto SSR Tsunade, Gamabunda Naruto. Okay, SSR Choji, Chocho, daughter of Choji. Okay, Shikamaru SR, sorry. Haku SLR positive. Okay, Kushina and SSR. End up with Naruto. 6 packs of the second box. Are we able to hit the SE? What do you think, guys? We are hunting for the SE long already. So please give me some users lah. Give me some big hits. Go home. Go big or go home. OR Kimimaru Ebisu Sensei, Dan SSR, Naruto, SSR and end up with Sakura. Okay, it's quite a lot of things need to do. Okay, come on, SE, give me some juicers. I think. Oh no, it's a toe box. SLR. And then, okay, SLR and UR. Okay. Oh! 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 SE! Hinata! SE Hinata! Yes! Guys! Dang! Woo! This is what you call the big shot! And somehow is the very, very chase of the SE. Woo! So, definitely, this is a win-win. Second box is a very good. I never noticed it's a dang. So now we got the chase, of course. I can breathe now. I can breathe. Woo! It's Hinata somewhere, guys. It's Hinata, one of the high chase in this series, guys. It's a high chase. Very surprise attack. It's a very, very surprise attack. Dang, dang, dang. Alright. Nice. That's what you called a patience. A patience. Alright. So we will do the recap, of course. We still do the recap for the second box. It's like, should we open the third box? I believe no need. Because we know already what is the hit, right? Okay, OR, Kimimaru, Shikamaru, AR, Itsuki, Rockley AR, Hinata, Young Hinata, SLR positive of Haku, MR, wow, the hits, it's freaking insane, MRSP plus the SE. Alright, it's Karin. And none other than of our SP is Temari. And of course, our big hits is a SE, guys. It's a SE. Dang. Nice. So of course, we will keep this inside the, what you call this one, mug case. This one is good for the mug case. Guys, so here we go. Oh my god, I'm freaking hype. So some more is a Hinata. Dang. I'm freaking hype, guys. I literally hype right now because it's Hinata. And Hinata is one of the big chase in this booster box or in this series, guys. In this freaking series, Year 4 Raid 4. And I am freaking shaking right now. Dang, nice. Alright. Woo. So mission accomplished. So no need to open the other box. We know already what is the content inside. So it's okay. Alright. Okay guys, if you like these unboxing sessions of mine in my content, if you are feel hype also as well, so go ahead and click like, comment down below and share, of course, into your families and friends. And for those fanatic of the Naruto out there, all right, the enthusiasts from the Naruto. Okay, so please hit the notification bell, and of course do a subscribe into my channel. So see you on my next video, and we have the mission accomplished right now. Okay, so see you guys and have a good day. Goodbye.